Good afternoon, my dear students. In yesterday's class, we discussed about the objectives of accounting. The objectives of accounting are maintenance of records of the business transactions and calculation of the profit and loss, depiction of the financial position, and providing the accounting information to its users. So these four are the objectives of accounting. In yesterday's class, we discussed in detail about this. Okay. So today I am going to discussing about accounting as a source of information. Accounting as a source of information. In earlier class, we discussed the definition and the meaning of accounting. Okay, so in this we came to know that the account is a process. Accounting is a process. Okay, accounting is a process, and in this process, it includes the various activities. It consists of the various the activities. Okay, so that activities are identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating. So these the activities are consisting in the accounting process, and these activities are interlinked each other. These activities are interlinked each other. Okay, so the activities are commenced with the identification of the transactions and ends with the preparation of financial statements and communicating them. Communicating them. Okay, and each activity in the accounting process is generating the accounting information. Each activity in accounting process is generating the accounting information. So generating accounting information is not to an end. It is facilitated to dissemination of that accounting information among a group of peoples. Among a group of the peoples. Okay, and the group of peoples are make use of that information, make use of that information, and make use of that information and taking the proper the decisions, taking the proper the decisions. Okay, so this is about the accounting as a source of information. Accounting as a source of information. For clear? So accounting is a process. In this process, it includes the various activities. The activities are interlinked each other. Okay, so the activity is commenced with the identification of transactions and ends with the preparation of financial statements and communicating them. Okay, and in each and every activity in the accounting process, it generates some accounting information. Okay, so that generating accounting information is not to an end. Is not to an end. Okay, so it is facilitated to dissemination of that accounting information. Dissemination, nothing but it is spreading that accounting information to the group of peoples. Group of the peoples, that is users of information. Okay, that the accounting information is spreading to the group of peoples, that is users, end users. Okay, so that end users are make use of that accounting information in order to taking some appropriate decisions. Okay, so therefore the dissemination of accounting information is the essential function of accounting. The function of accounting. Okay, for example, so these activities are interlinked. After identifying the financial transactions, we are recording the transactions in the books of account in monetary values. I mean, all the transactions which are find out is to be measured in terms of the values. Okay, after measuring that all the transactions in terms of values, we are going to recording that the transactions in the books of accounts. Okay. After recording the transaction in the books of accounts, again we are going to classify. Means dividing all the similar nature of transactions. We are dividing all the nature of the transactions. Okay. So likewise, each activities are interlinked each other. Okay, each activities are interlinked each other. So in this process, it generates some the accounting information. In this process, it generates some accounting information. For example, in identifying, we came to know that which transaction to be recording the books of accounts. Okay, in measuring activity, we come to know that the value of the transactions, and in a recording activity, we come to know that all the transactions are to be recording in the books of accounts in systematic manner, and we can use as evidence, and we can easily verify all the transactions in the books of accounts. So that here each and every activity is generating some accounting information. Okay, so that accounting information is spreading. That accounting information is spreading to the group of peoples. Group of peoples are the end users. So that the end users are make use of that accounting information for taking the proper decisions in respect of the various aspects. Okay, so that dissemination of the accounting information is the essential function of accounting. The function of accounting. So here the accounting information should ensures to classify the various types of information. Okay, so it is to be useful. The accounting information should ensure to classifications of the accounting information. So means here the accounting is providing the various types of information, the types of information to the end users. Okay, so what type of the accounting is providing information? First one, the accounting provide information about the performance of a business concern. The accounting is providing information about the performance of a business concern. So the performance of business concern, we come to know that through the preparation of the profit and loss account. The performance of a business concern come to know through the preparation of the profit and loss account. Okay, and the accounting is providing information about the financial position of a business concern. Financial position of a business concern, that is net worth of a business. So net worth of a business. Okay, so financial position of business concern come to know through the preparation of the balance sheet. Okay, next the accounting is providing information about for taking economic decisions. Accounting provide information for taking economic decisions. Okay, so next, the accounting provides information about the solvency of a business. Solvency of a business. Okay, solvency is nothing but ability of a business concern. Whether the business concern is able to pay all the liabilities, that is long-term liabilities in the future days. So we can come to know by seeing all the accounting information of solvency of a business concern. And the accounting provides the liquidity of a business. Liquidity of a business. So liquidity is nothing but ability of a business concern. That is whether the business concern is able to pay the short-term liabilities, that is current liabilities, as and when the current liabilities are fallen due. You can come to that the ability of a business concern by seeing the accounting of information. The accounting provides information on the activities of society. Means how many activities the business concern is performing for the welfare of a society. So that information we can also come to know by saying the accounting. That is the welfare of the society. So how many activities the business concern is performing for the welfare of the society. So that information can also come to know by saying that accounting. Next up, managerial ability. So accounting is providing information about the managerial ability. How the management is going to utilizing all the resources which are being in the business unit. Whether all the resources are going to using in efficient manner or not, we can easily come to know by saying the accounting. So these types of information has to be provided by the accounting. So therefore, the accounting as a source of information. Therefore, accounting as a source of information. And accounting is used as a language of a business concern, through which we can communicate about a business concern through the accounting. Through the accounting. Therefore, the accounting is used as a language of a business. Language of a business. Are clear? Okay. So, in accounting definition and the meaning of accounting, we came to know that the accounting is a process. Okay, in this process, it includes the various activities. The various activities are identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating. So these are all the activities which are included in the accounting process. And these activities are interlinked each other. Okay, and every activity in the accounting process, generating some of the accounting information. Okay, so that generating accounting information is not to an end. So it facilitates to dissemination of that information. To the group of peoples. Nothing but the users. Okay, so that information has to be spreading to the end users. Okay, end users are make use of that information in order to taking the appropriate decisions. So therefore, the dissemination of the accounting information is essential the function of accounting. Okay, so it is to be useful. The accounting information should ensure to providing the various types of information. So accounting is provides the various types of information. The various types of information are performance of a business concern, okay, and the financial position of business concern, and the economic decisions, okay, for taking economic decisions, and the solvency of a business, and the liquidity of a business, and how many activities the business concern is going to performing for the welfare of the society. That information you can also come to know that, and the managerial ability. So these the types of information has to be provided by accounting. Okay, performance. So the accounting is providing the performance of a business concern. How we can come to that performance of business concern? We can come to through preparing the profit and loss account. We can come to by saying the profit and loss account. In that profit and loss account, we can come to know that whether the business concern or profit or sustained a loss. So we can come to know that. Okay, if the business concern is earned profit higher than our expectations, we can come to know that the performance is good because our results are more than our expectations. We can easily come to that the performance of a business concern. Okay, financial position, nothing but net worth of a business. Okay, net worth of a business. So the net worth of a business concern we can come to by preparing the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, we are considered all the assets of a business concern and liabilities of a business concern. By considering these two aspects, we are preparing one statement, that is balance sheet. So by seeing that balance sheet, we can come to that what is the financial position of a business concern. What is the actual financial position of business concern? What are the long-term liabilities of a business concern? What are the short-term liabilities of business concern? And what are the fixed assets? And what are the current assets? So these the information we can come to know by saying the balance sheet. Okay. And for economic decisions, The accounting provides the financial information in order to taking the economic the decisions. The various peoples are taking the decisions in respect of various aspects. Okay, so therefore they need some information about a business concept. That information has to be provided by accounting. Okay. Next, solvency of a business. Solvency is nothing but ability of a business. Ability of a business. Whether the business concern is paying the long-term liabilities, whether the business concern is able to paying all the long-term liabilities in the future or not, we can easily come to know that. We can easily come to know that by saying that accounting information. Accounting information. Okay. Next one, liquidity of a business. Liquidity of a business. So ability of a short-term liability. I mean, whether the business concern is able to paying all the short-term liabilities. Short-term liabilities in the future. We can easily come to know that by saying that the accounting information. Society. So here the business concern is the performing the various activities in order to various activities for the welfare of the society. For the welfare of the society. So that the information has also to be stated in that accounting. So that by saying that accounting, you can easily come to that what are the activities the business concern is performing. Next, managerial ability. How the managers are performing their the functions in the business operations. So that will be reflected by the accounting. That will be reflected by the accounting. Okay, how the sources are going to using in the business operations in order to reaching their goals. In order to reaching their goals. So this the information can also to come to know by saying that accounting information. So therefore, the accounting is considered as a source of information. Source of information. Which information the accounting is provides? The financial information. The financial information. Therefore, the accounting is considered as a language of a business. Language of a business. Okay, because about a business concern, they have to communicate through the accounts only. Through accounts only. Okay, so this is about the brief explanation about accounting as a source of information. Source of information. Clear? Okay. So thank you.